Good day students. This video is our continuation of our module plants. In this video we will be learning how temperature affects the growth of the plant. Temperature. Temperature is an ecological factor. It affects the rate of many physiological processes in plants. High temperature affects plants' growth in numerous ways. The most obvious are the effects of heat on photosynthesis, in which plants use carbon dioxide to produce oxygen, and respiration is an opposite process in which plant uses oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. Temperature influences most plant processes, including photosynthesis, transpiration, respiration, germination, and flowering. As temperature increases up to a point, photosynthesis, transpiration, respiration increases. When combined with day length, temperature also affects the change from vegetative, leafy to productive flowering growth. Depending on the situation and specific plants, the effect of temperature can neither speed up or slow down in this transition. Transpiration. Rise in temperature increases transpiration. High temperature influences the defect of atmosphere. It decreases the humidity of the air. Thus, more water is transpired. High rate of transpiration also increases the rate of absorption of water from the soil. Respiration. The rate of respiration increases with the rise of temperature. It is the maximum at optimum temperature. It decreases rapidly above optimal temperature. Germination of seed. Temperature also affects the germination of seed. Every seed has an optimal temperature. Seed cannot grow above or below this temperature. General distribution of plants. Temperature and moisture determine the general distribution of vegetation. Vegetation is primarily determined by heat. Thus, plants grow in a hot climate cannot grow in a cold climate and vice versa. Therefore, some crops are not cultivated in all regions of the world. Hence, different crops are cultivated in different regions of the world according to the climatic conditions. Spreading of diseases. Temperature and humidity affect the spreading of disease in the plants. Low temperature along with high humidity favors the attack of rust and insects. The summary of the module plants. The main part of plants includes root, stem, leaf, flower and fruits. Water is needed to activate the process of germination. It also sorts the seed, making it easier for the plants to break through. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make energy to grow. Photosynthesis requires sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. The sun is the main source of almost all the energy on the earth. It enables plants and other organisms to turn water and carbon dioxide into sugar through a process called photosynthesis. The sun releases light that travels many millions of miles through space. Water is taken in through the roots and transported through the stems. Plants need healthy roots, leaves and stems to grow well. The plant growth is affected by temperature. It also affects transpiration, respiration and germination of seeds, general distribution of plants and spreading of diseases. We have come to the end of the module. Hope you have learned many things about plants. Thank you for taking care of our planet and plants. We have completed the module. Thank you.